Hello class, I am going to show you how to navigate through starfall.com. This website can be used by students in kindergarten through 2nd grade to practice math and reading skills in a fun way. In this video specifically, I will show the reading and phonics exercises available. When you enter the website, this is the first screen that you will see. The tabs 1, 2, 3, and 4 are reading exercises that progress as you go through each. In ABCs, each letter of the alphabet is displayed. When I click on the letter M, an uppercase and lowercase version of the letter is shown,
M,
as well as an object or animal that starts with the same letter. In this case, it is a monkey. When I click on each letter, it says the sound that it makes. When I click on the lowercase m, a moon appears and a word is made with the letter, and it also repeats the sound. This goes
moon.
for...
Oh, moon, where are you? Goodbye.
This goes for all the letters in the alphabet. In Learn to Read, different stories, games, and movies are available to practice phonics. Under Skills, it shows which section this is based on. Under It's Fun to Read, stories that the students input to are available. In All About Me, the words are read to the student and they get to choose and create themselves. Here is an example.
Who am I? Girl. 5. Goodbye.
In I'm Reading, students can pick a genre and either read themselves or choose the option to have it read to them. Also, Starfall offers phonics and reading activities for each holiday. To the right of these options in the green is added activities available to members of starfall.com. However, there are plenty of resources available for free to use in the classroom. Thank you for watching, and I hope you will use this fun, free website as a way to enhance your students' reading skills.